In the western region of Ghana, there is a community known as Esiema, a community which celebrates Kundum Festival. The Esiema Kundum Festival is a traditional celebration held by Enzima people of Ghana, particularly in the Esiema area of the western region. Kundum is a magnificent festival in the Enzima culture, showcasing their rich heritage through music, dance, and other cultural performance. The festival typically involves traditional dance, music performance, cultural display, food exhibition, and traditional clothing. The White Friday mentioned in the post seems to be a modern twist to the traditional festival possibility, indicate a specific event and activities without the large festival celebration. Showcasing Enzima culture and tradition, the Kundum Festival is usually celebrated to mark the beginning of the new harvest season, honor the ancestors and the gods, promote unity among the people. Kundum is delivered from the Enzima language meaning drumming or beating of drums. In the night, Mama Mikojan III and the people of the community would gather at the Kundum Daba ground libation to set a bonfire. Mama Mikojan III explained the meaning of the setting of bonfire.
The purpose of this one, September, and can they say, we be able to go to Doha, Kakaka, so we be a broach, Banchia, and so the Biba, Brodia, and so the Biba. If you only be a web your bush, yes, so the Biba, near the good gentleman. The purpose will say, near SC, our feeling no this is the time we need to come together. To say Moses and Morano, the Israel, or some of you we say no, so sana say we are at the chance. So the sack will soon be at the whole fear. A map of the day, a man of yam, and I get your here. Yana no man at a home. So the purpose of this one is to bring unity into the town and for us to forget all the past. In some summer, yes, we are burning it away.
Electric shocks of the interrogation room. Up to this day, they are lunatics. Well, coming back to school, the school was about to close at the end of the year.
During the Kundum Festival, the community come together to perform ancient rituals, including the cleansing of the royal stool and animal sacrifice. Let's examine the culture and significance and benefits of this practice.
Medijeni Kora, the Fesima, Esima Hifini, near Kosono, Yedi Afi, Afeno, your friend Kundum, na Yakunjano, and the Yajareno. Until Yajaria Kunjani say, Yadim, the Giant and Kuko, Abusuan Beshia, Yeshia, Ubia, or one some to be a Muno, so Yiba, Yina Yaka, and my Chichi, I am Sim. Ema ye na ye ba mu ansa na omokum samoano omokum duane no kokoro na omodi be ye duane sa duane no obia bebibi ahoho bia ofu bebibia baba na obebibi odibia aduma opaduma opawo ope aduma bibia ope no sabaka awo safi ye duane konduane se ya nsuo akonduane ho suo no esiwo nti wo a opawo no obesebi ukwa obakwa kwasa wa upaduma no obefa bi wo de ba huru anim wa bibia ha wo no obesa nsuo no edekọ ekoye a afen beso no na osaka
It was always like that in our school. Oneness in Boomba. Those days went down bitter and sore with the presence of the army and the police. Not only in our schoolyard, right inside our classrooms. Those were the days of anger, the days of panic and fear, the days when our brothers and sisters disappeared into the police cells. Others came back, and others never came back. We were told others hung themselves in the police cells in detention, and others slept in the showers and died.
From Yam, Piesima, Patomiku, Mbokole, no Teteno, Na in an animal, and Katia, and Almudi, and Katia, Ne, Pippin, Bobotape, any beans, any diggy, Lieutenant Mbokole, and I may hear the Banting, Bantino, Yakoto, Naya Oho, Yahoo, we are. Na yakwa kwanya mo machine ya nyam wi a na ya hye bottom na ya to na ya de bekta buku ama mfe na wo na atwe mfe no twe a na ya wose nta ya wose sa na aya dra na ya de sun to tibia no so na ya de kopo enketekete e de ahyem o no kopo wo ho o no chance wo ho na ya ye ayi no atuku no Ebobu more na ato edua no so edua na ma yen second time na ye de ensa atu ye tuwi a na ye de agu konko na ye de esi edua no so no na ye de atu enti ye de simu wi a na ye de ebu wo ye de ubetu ya nti a ebi na ma ya aben ebi na ma ya nti a aben ten ye ka teni a ya friend Mbokole we na o de asem now what the popular now at the popular as they are going to say now they are going to say now at the castle woman is to chat now yet trying to say Kufuano and the Sano Yamana and check
going back to basics, we are doing attention of where no more. Yes, starting near the Piagian, and never wise. On an Amen and Anum, you to me 100 years, 150 years, Memana, 130 years, and but I'm saying 25 years back, 70 years back. So, is it a thing? I wish you know it's something that we must encourage for our people, and that's why we are going to.
In our exclusive, the chief of Asema, Mamabeko Jan III, graciously shared insight into the genesis of the Kundum Festival.
Within the Nana and Nikojana, Otosomesa, Divisional Chief of Asema, under the Eastern Nzema Traditional Council. So, say a car Kunduma. We be say, it's not home at day. Kundum of our tradition, Chidi say, it's not home yarsa, and a Korea, and then Punchu. I didn't in America, sir. Nipa odi kind a call for ma, Okoshia, Motianoma, Namu disagron, our hunter honor. Nidiangasa Edukundum, to a call for mu, now out Kotum. Mwetiano se amudi sa agro no a otebe bia wan kan chiro bia to be fie no na nhoma eyi ade ne chire no no mo ni da so mo ndi so ni na ne se obaba ba ka chire kromafo no mo ina di sa agro no wan kada timpefo abakwasom se oyare abane da ho no mo che eno mo se no yenkwa hwe chire that's why I use sometimes my say uncle chire ni hu adekuntia ama yenua kundum ayaresa nti omo kwade bi ye frɛ no abisa sɛ wo kɔ ni sini ho akobisa ade pote ekoso kubisaeɛ no na kyerɛ sɛ wahu bibi ɛwɔ pɔ mu anka yɛ sɛ ɔbɛka wɔ kurom ampa nso yɛbisaa no ama agya kundum ɔka ne nsɛm nyinaa ɔka wieɛ no a mpanyinfoɔ hyɛ ase sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa amane no ɛbɔ twene no kundum ɔsɔre gyina ne nan so na ɔte abɔ nti woba nzemaman mu a kundum no yɛka no sɛ yɛba bɛdi abisa ne yɛ sɛ yɛkɔ akɔbisa akyire nti na yɛfrɛ no kundum ayaresa no a ɛnam so a yɛbɔ twene na ɛba a agya kundum nkyɛn nti yɛgye di sɛ yare bi wɔ kurom mpuntuo bi ɛmma kuro bi man so sɛ ebi mu ehia yɛfun yɛde bɛwɔ ma sɛ du saa time no ɔmo nyinaa ba fie na mbɛboa yɛ ɛma yɛ pɔmden ɛne mpuntuo
Mama Kocha the third will lead the elders in the palace to the deep forest to pour liberation to the gods for seeing them through the year.
No more was here with the more baba. Kaka, I say, I hope, and I go. See, I was no more killing more team. Baba, I said, be a banner. I didn't mean to make a more Elibezia, the more than one is rule. Beside you, when you have any question.
It was always like that in our school. Oneness in Boomba. Those days went down bitter and sore.
Beside you as well, Benny Yamzo. I couldn't to me. Obi and not too much as you friend. Maranoma Bolano was Agra. I can remember you to say everybody, but when we are to bed you soon as you get the bus.
The days of panic and fear. When our brothers and sisters disappeared.
Man, the Muslim were Baba and Savia Barrow. The Imam will have you. And
others never came.
And I go,
We were told others had themselves in the police cell in detention.
yeah, my brother. I don't know.
Mana, again, and so I pay more than 700 years. Why pay? It's in an unknown and now, security of Wahana, which I know, and another for Muka. The best say now, I'm no more guy they have. Then, too, in here paying the job, I say, good job. And I never made the alcohol, you could hear on by say, I checked the answer a moment, tradition is about. It's in the Kohoma. Let me coach you was a Yabaha. And you say, you're from some coach. Not audience. When it comes to the decision of the defense force, it is the president who takes charge. It is us, the commander, and the chief of Ezema. They do when it comes to the military and seminar.
The historian of Esiema Palace shared the fascinating story behind the town name.
Esi den na krono benya edin Esiema. Abakwasam kyerɛ sɛ pani bi ne ne ma ɔmo bɔ ɔmo adwen so ɔmo utu akɔtena baabi a ɔmo ho bɛtɔ ɔmo. Na kwantuo mu no maame na ɔka ho ɔmo ba no. Ne ho kan ɛwɔ wasa mamfi baby ombo tran no mo adwen san ko ompe so mo tran ho no ompe so mo tran no mo tom no unim sa abakwasem kakra sa amre no na European for cheap slave trade sa amre na to man mo bi betumi de betumi atu abehye so nti aba se wasa manfi ho no tu for no beti show mo so nti omo tu free ho na nti se mu sa be pie wasa kropon e ho na omo ko hia ntokwa chenchirenche no ankasa nti ne sa nti omo bo ma dwe so omo beba downwards no on be pie nzema sasetre broni bi e ho ye frɛ no angambawu akene ye ba adrane o after that place no no mo free ho eba area na sesi e de market say ye ziema no on be pie anwafutu baby on beto ahwan na do so ye white no on mo free no be ball baby a ye friend sesi a mejina a chese me enyina ha enhwe ne eba me ejina ne yen ya mo ba eno so eba ne sen abakwasam kire se omo ba ye no so na omo dwane free ntokwa no nti na omo adwe ne se omo ba omo tie po kese na omo ti dededede no omo adwe se ye ntokwa nti omo se yenyina ha ye fi ntokwa no na eba ye ntumi nkonto ntokwa foforo mu nti omo transa se wa trampo ano da unim se po no se ya ene ne kosoro pa nti ne sa nti omo transa ma po no ano dwoye there's a month or two eye chi no so do omani be kwa kohwe omkohwe na sa ye po ho no mbo ma adwo so ombetena omatra mu ombetena no omtra hwe sa se omanim se oma me be di omachi aba because akwantu no omutu no omugyan so ahwasudie bi wo kwan so se obi bia waka kire betumi ahwe so aba bebi oma ababo ma so ye no omotra ha hwe sa oma me ma no ombo ma adwo se omo bebi oma betena ombe frɛ no se me mami esi wama nti eye mami esi ama bebrese eye esi ni ama da bi kro we eye friend nzamazie ma no ye esi ama nti abakwasa ma fa azie ma ho no se na edin ni nya azie ma no eno no na e wono bro no bebre na me de besi asei se opese unya ho asem bio a ya chro books bebre wo ho a uko online a obenya bi da mu nyina ase